Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix verification failed. This Apple ID is not active. For example, if you try to reset your password or try to forgot your password and try to enter your password, and after that as you enter your password you see this kind of error as a verification failed. This Apple ID is not active. So how you can fix that? Well, this is what you have to do. You have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that what you have to do, you have to first of all make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi and the internet connection. Now after that what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general. So in general you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that you have to simply try to log in into your Apple ID with the old password and try to get verified. But if you are getting that error again and again, then what you have to do, you have to simply took the screenshot of the problem and you have to send it to the Apple support and ask for the solution. And if they tell you to verify yourself through the email, then you have to make sure that your email is working properly. And moreover, you can also verify your Apple ID through your number. So you have to make sure that that number is also on. So you have to verify your Apple ID, and after that, moreover, you can also take the screenshot and ask for the solution in the Apple discussion forum, and you can ask Apple users that how they solved that kind of error when they got that error. So in this way you can simply fix that error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.